I just wanted to do a quick update on my tire video for the Michelin Defender LTX MS tire and its fitment on the Ram truck. And I'll be honest, I also have the same exact tire also on our Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's been a great tire, but today I ended up getting a full brand new pair for my Ram truck. As you can see, probably has maybe 30 miles on it since I had them installed at 9 o'clock this morning. So a brand new set of tires. And I know I posted my previous video on this tire specifically. It's been a great tire, honestly. I've been happy with it, with its rain performance, its snow performance. Overall, it's been a great tire. The only thing that it fell short on was its mileage warranty, which Michelin covered. So I ended up getting about 50,000 miles out of it. I can't remember what the exact number was when I went to Discount Tire today, but it did fall short of the mileage warranty. And they advertise it as a 70,000 mile tire. But I didn't get there. I literally was down to into the wear bars on my previous set. And I'm just looking for, here's a wear bar right here. Just looking for the wear bar there. So I was all the way through the tread and into the wear bar on the previous set that I had just taken off this morning. And it was all covered. So I ended up getting basically about half off per tire based on that mileage warranty, which I was really happy with. And overall, with the tire's performance, the fact that it wears a little quicker is a little disappointing, but it's not anything to turn me away from the tire. I never really had an issue in the winter. I never had any issue at all in the rain. So it's really one of the best all-purpose tires that I've ever had on a pickup truck. And I've had multiple brands of tires that I've had on my trucks, between Goodyear's, Cooper's, Michelin's, Pirelli's. I've had several different sets that I've used between multiple trucks. So I've been very happy with the ride, performance, the traction with Michelin. Again, the only issue that arose was just the mileage warranty. But again, it was covered, so I'm more than happy. So overall, the Michelin Defender LTX MS has been one of the best tires that I've ever put on a pickup truck before, and I'm going to stick with them, just with the performance that they've had. My really disappointment with this entire fiasco and trading out these tires is that I did it basically at the end of June, just before July. I would much prefer to put new tires on in, say, October, November, right before snow, where you have maximum tread depth. But trading out in the summer here, I was so shallow on the tread depth that I was afraid of hydroplaning. So that's where I came into. I wasn't using the truck for long road trips, just commuting to and from work because of that shallow tread depth. And now I know I can take it anywhere again with that update. So just wanted to give a solid update on the tire here. And that's my quick review based on its performance.